Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a pop-up video in Wix. So let's get started. First log in to Wix with your website and go to the top right side of your dashboard. Now click on design and site and you will land on your site. Now go to the left side and you will see the plus icon labeled as add elements. Click on this and search for videos and music. Click on this and you will find several options here like YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook and Dailymotion. You can add any video of this. Also you can add Wix videos. There are many options available. So choose the video and add it. You can also make changes in this by click on settings. You will see a payback options. If you want the videos to autoplays, just toggle this. Also, if you want to place in a loop, just toggle this. Now, you can also add description of your video. And that's it. You have successfully added a pop-up video to your slide. Your pop-up video is now a part of your website. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.